What's up everybody, how are you all doing? And welcome to today's new video. For those of you who have subscribed, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, we open up Pokemon cards here and see if we can collect the binder of each set that we opened. Now today we're gonna be opening up these. We're gonna be opening up not one, but two of the text stickers and the Great Tusk EX 10. We're going to open it up to see, well, to see what we get from the 10, which is actually one of the things I want is the promos, and I got the text stickers because I've seen that these ones have like a pretty good hit rate. So let's see if they still have a good hit rate. Okay, so we're gonna move this one over here. We're going to open up our first text sticker. Now, the last time I opened up these the text stickers, I got really lucky. If you haven't seen that one, I suggest you check it out because it gave us a really good card, a really good hit, one I didn't expect to have so quickly, you might say. Okay, let's open this up. It's a little, there we go. It's a little difficult this time to open these up. Also because they got like extra plastic. So we got our 3 packs. We got the sticker right there. We got, there we go, code card. There you go. And of course the promo of the Mastiff. Very nice. The Mastiff shiny. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Let's move right here. Let's put our Mastiff up here. The sticker, I'm gonna put it down here. Alright, let's go ahead and open up our first pack of Paldean Fates. Now, as I said last time, I got pretty lucky with this one, so let's see if we can still get the luck going and see what we get. There you go. Alright. Let's see. We start off with a Hunter, Mime Jr., Noibat, Chimcho, Artisan, Corellia, Team Crisis Punch. We got a Lechonk, Reverse. You gotta be kidding me!
Oh my god!
No way! This is what I call first pack magic. We got the Charizard EX Special Illustration Rare. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is awesome! Now that is a really good card. See? That's what I'm talking about, the text stickers. I mean, they got the hits. Okay. Very nice. And for the rare we got a Professor's Research. Okay. I don't know if it's called first pack magic or first pack luck. I don't know, but here we go. Awesome. Very nice. Okay, let's keep going. Second pack. I was almost gonna say, okay, thank you very much for watching. I mean, we got it on the first pack here. I mean, that's crazy. There you go. Now, out of nowhere, the Gardevoir is gonna come out. Alright, we got Tandemaus, Mankey, Flittle, Pikachu, Moonlit Hill, Donphan, Atticus, we got a Magmar Reverse, and we got a Pummy illustration. Nice! Now, I already got all the illustration rares, since on this set there are only 3 of them. But it's still nice to get hits. Nice! We got another Pummy. And for the rare we got another Professor's Research. What are we playing here? I mean, Professor's Research back to back. Okay, let's sleeve up our Pummy. Here we go. Alright. I'm still stunned by that Charizard EX. I didn't expect it to get it to get it so soon. I mean, awesome, but I didn't expect that. I really didn't. Code card. There you go. Alright. Let's see what we got on the third one. There we go. We got Frigibax, Mastiff, Ralts, Magmar, Iono, Kilowattrel, Clive. We got Magmortar Reverse, Houndstone Reverse, and Armarouge for the rare. We got 2 for 3. But I can't complain. This is awesome. Okay, let's go for the second one. Let's get you open. There we go. These tech sticker collections do come loaded. I mean, there we go. I mean, getting the Charizard special illustration from the first pack? I mean, what are we playing here? Okay. The sticker. The code card. There you go. And the promo of the Mastiff. Let's put this back here. Whoa. It was almost gonna fall there. Alright. Let me put the other Mastiff here. And let's put this right over here. And this one fly away. Alright. Let's go for our third pack blister. 3-pack blister, not third. Alright. Code card. There you go. Now let's see. Let's see what we get. There we go. We got Fido. I'm missing that tech sticker. Hunter. Cottonee. Maractus. Primeape. Artisan. Lantern. We got Scrafty. Reverse. Ceruledge. Reverse. And a Satu for the rare. With a Dark Energy. Okay. Second pack. Let's see. Man, that's that's awesome. Okay. Code card. There you go. Now let's see. And we got, come on, focus up. There we go. We got Pikachu, Graveyard, Chinchou, Woobat, Corellia, Gengar, Nestball, We got a Pikachu, reverse. Paldean Student, reverse. And we got a Fortress EX, the regular Terraform. I think I actually need this one. Yeah, I think I need this one because I got the Espathra Terraform. Now I got the Fortress. Okay, here we go. We got another hit that we needed. Last pack from the 3-pack blisters. Let's see if we can get something heavy here. Ooh. Code card. There we go. Let's see. And we got focus up. Okay. We got Numel, Natu, Paldean Students, Cottonee, Ultra Ball, Swoobat, Clive, and we got a Shinx Baby Shiny. We actually need that one. Okay, we got another hit, and this one looks cute. I like the illustrations of the baby shinies here. Well, I call them baby shinies because they're the little form of the shinies, not the full art. But anyway, I actually like this one. Okay, next we got an Annihilate, and for the rare we got a Raichu. Okay, with a fighting energy. Okay, not as heavy as last time, but we still got 2 hits from that we actually needed. Here we go. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Now we got the 10, so let's go ahead and move on with that one. I'm gonna use my trusty knife here. Always remember, if you're opening something up with a knife, be very careful where you point that thing. You don't want to cut yourself or anyone around you. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, Matcha was running away. It was afraid of the Charizard. Okay. And we open this up. We got the Great Tusk EX Shiny. There we go. Very nice. Put it over here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs remaining for Paldean Fates. Let's get this. Man, that doesn't want to close. Has anyone had that type of problem with this type of tin? That doesn't want to close up? Man, this... I'll close it up later. Okay. Okay, now, where were we? Alright. The five packs. Let's see what we can get from these 5 packs on the 10th. Now, still missing many gold and some full arts. I'm missing special illustrations. So, not to mention shinies. Come on, focus up. There we go. The camera didn't want to give you the code cards. Alright. Now let's see. Okay. We got Rare Candy, Cottonee, Pineco, Numel, Iono, I'm missing that one, Kilowattrel, Corellia, We got a Glimmers Shiny! Okay, we got another one. This one looks really good as well. I actually love the design of this shiny, the texture on them, on all the card. It's not just on the image. It's really cool. I really like them. Okay, we got our first hit. Excuse me. Next we got the Satu, and for the rare we got an Executor for the rare. The metal energy, and let's sleeve up our Glimmet. Here we go. Alright. Next pack. Let's see what it has in store for us. Okay, here you go. Now let's see. And we got Charcadet, Clobopus, Varoom. I actually needed this Varoom. Very nice. Frigibax, Mousehold, Iono, Kilowattrel. We got a Scraggy reverse, Clobopus reverse, and a Great Tusk EX. Another one that we actually needed for the binder. Okay, we're filling up the EX spots. I'm still missing many of them, so with this, it will actually help us a lot with the binder. Okay, let's sleeve it up and let him join with the rest of the hits up there. Here we go. Okay, and it goes with the Great Tusk Tin. I mean, what are the odds? Next pack. Okay, let's see. Code card. There you go. Alright. Let's see what this pack has in store for us. Let's see, we got Maractus, Paldean Students, Lapras, sorry, my voice was cutting there, Scraggy, Gengar, TM Crisis Punch, Dashbon, and we got Pidgeot EX Full Art Shiny! Nice! Now, unfortunately, we already got this one. It will go on the trade binder, so we will see what we get from an exchange for this one. But in the end, we got a Full Art Shiny, so nice. Okay, and the next we got a Numel reverse and a Mablestiff for the rare with lightning energy. Okay, nice. Let's sleeve it up. Here we go. Alright. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. Okie doke. Here's the code card. There you go. Now let's see what we have here. And we got Mastiff, Ralts, Magmar, Fido, Clive, Corellia, TM Crisis Punch. We got a Natu reverse, Paldean Students reverse, and we got Clive Full Art. We got a Full Art Trainer here. Another one that we actually needed for the binder. Okay, we're moving on there. Let's sleeve this one up as well. Although that texture on this one, it's different than the other trainers that I've seen. You can actually see it. Look, it's kind of different. I mean, not bad. I like it. It was different than others. Okay, very nice. Last pack. We're on our last pack of Paldean Fates for today. Let's see if we can handle with last pack magic. Then I don't know where it comes the IAR, no? That'll be crazy. There you go. Alright. And we got, if we can focus up, there we go. Mime Jr. Mastiff. Gimme a very blurry gimme goal. Lechonk. Nemona's Backpack. Primate. Artisan. And we got the Dodrio Baby Shiny. We got another hit. Okay. Little by little we're getting the shinies, since there are a lot of them. It's good that it's actually have a high hit rate for this ones. The only hard thing is that the more you get, the harder it is to get them on packs. You got to get them like, or buy them as singles, or trade for them. Okay. For the next card we got a Pikachu reverse, and we're going to end up with a Mimikyu for the rare with a fire energy. Okay, very nice. So we got 5 for 5 on the tins. Yeah, because we got the Glimmet, the Great Tusk, the Pidgeot EX, the Clive, and the Dodrio. And in the tech stickers, on the first one we got the Charizard EX. I didn't expect that. We got the Palmy. Then on the next one we got the Fortress EX regular and the Shiny Shinx. Not a bad opening. Not bad at all. I actually didn't expect the Charizard to come up on the first pack. Now that was really lucky. Okay. Now that was a really nice opening. That will be all for today. I hope you're all having a great day. Now remember, if you like the content, to like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell if you wanna be notified of any new video that comes up. Now remember, take things one step at a time. Take good care of each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. See ya.